Hey everyone, this is Jordan, and today, just before Christmas, I'm going to be showing you the top 5 free scripts that you can use in After Effects.
Here's the scripts for today's video.
Not these kinds of scripts, After Effects scripts.
Well, that's not my problem.
Anyways, before we get started, remember that the links to all of these scripts will be available in the description. Also, be sure to drop a like on this video, it helps us out a ton, and let's get started with this first script. Alright, so the first script we're going to be looking at is the Easy Parallax script, which can be used to turn any image into a parallax composition. Here we have a stock image that we want to turn into a parallax, and here's the Easy Parallax window. You're able to customize and experiment with the settings to alter how your parallax comes out, and then once you're ready, select the layer you want to apply it to, then click the parallax button. After a short load, it will apply the effect, and you should have a bunch of new layers in the layer panel. If we change the camera angle, you can see what it's done is separate the image into a bunch of layers that form a big 3D dome to mimic a parallax effect. To utilize this effect, what we want to do is go to Layer, New, Camera, set the angle of view to 90 degrees, then click OK. Make sure that your view is set to camera 1, highlight the camera, press P for position, set a keyframe, move forward to about 10 seconds on the timeline, then select the dolly tool and click and drag forward to zoom in to the parallax. Now you have a nice animated parallax effect all on a 2D image using the Easy Parallax script. Next up we have the Skin Retouch tool, which allows you to smooth out the skin on faces and videos that you've recorded. Here we have some stock footage of a close-up on someone's face, and we also have the Skin Retouch window open. To apply the Skin Retouch effect, simply click the Isolate Skin Details button, and now you can see that the video has been separated into 2 pre-comps. If I hide the bottom pre-comp, you can see that it's isolated all of the details of the face layer on the first pre-comp. The script also applies a slight blur by default, but to smooth out the skin a bit more, highlight the bottom layer, go to Effect, Blur and Sharpen, Gaussian blur, then increase the blur amount by just a little bit. Since the details have been isolated and are on top of the layer we just blurred, it smooths out the skin but still maintains the details of the face. And now you have this nice smooth skin effect on your footage using the Skin Retouch script. Before we move on to our next free script, we would like to mention our free templates for After Effects and Premiere Pro. For absolutely free, you can download our preview extension panel and use nearly 100 templates for any project you're working on. Quickly browse through templates and use the template that best fits your project. From there, you can quickly edit and change colors to fit your project needs, and in under a minute, you have a full animation in After Effects or Premiere Pro. Check the links below to get your free packs, and we have over 4,000 templates just like these on our website, sonduckfilm.com. This next script is called Comp Setter. It allows you to quickly change the settings of your compositions as well as any pre-comps inside of it, all from one single window. Here we have some stock footage, but our composition isn't properly set up for it, and we can use Comp Setter to fix that. Our footage we're using is 4K, but our composition is only 1080p, so we can highlight the width and height and change the resolution to 4K. The footage we have is at 60 frames a second, but our composition is only at 30, so we can highlight frame rate and adjust it properly. Our composition is 30 seconds long, but the footage is only about 18 seconds long, so we can highlight duration, set it to seconds, and change the length to 18 seconds. We can also choose whether or not to apply these settings to any pre-comps that we might have inside of our composition, then when we're done, click Apply. Now you can see that the composition is the proper resolution, correct duration, and frame rate, all fixed easily using the Comp Setter script. This next script is the Text Border script. It will put a customizable border around any text and then auto-adjust its dimensions to match the text layer. Here we have a text layer with a very simple scale animation on it. If we want to add the Text Border script, it's applied as an effect by going to Effect, Plug in Everything, Text Border. Now, we have a border around the text, and in the Effect Controls panel, we can start to customize it. We'll increase the width of the stroke a bit, increase the expansion to give it a good distance from the text, increase the roundness so it has a nice rounded rectangle shape, and we'll change the color to a nice dark gray. There are plenty more options for you to experiment with to make your border exactly how you want. And now you can see when we play the animation again, the text border automatically adjusts itself to match the dimensions of our text layer perfectly. This last script is my personal favorite, and it's the slicer script. It allows you to take a layer and slice it up into multiple layers that you can then edit individually. Here we have another stock video and the slicer script window open. The rows are how many times you want the layer split horizontally, and the columns are how many times you want it split vertically. For what I want to do, I want 1 row and 5 columns. You can also have it so that all of the created layers automatically get parented to a null, that way you can edit them all together. Then once you have your settings the way you want them, highlight the layer and click slice. Now our footage has been sliced up into 5 columns, all parented to a null object, and now what I can do is highlight one of the layers, press P for position, then move the layer up a bit, and you can see now how it's split from the other layers. Now what I'll do is adjust the position for each layer up and down to create this splitting fractured effect. Once that's done, I can select the null layer, press S for scale, then zoom in all of the layers to hide the black spots that we created from moving them around. And now you have this awesome sliced effect on your footage made easily with the slice script. Now you have some scripts that you can start using to change up your workflow. Be sure to download our free packs for After Effects and Premiere Pro as well. Those links will be available in the description below. Be sure to subscribe to the channel for more post-production tutorials every week. Also hit us up on our Instagram for more After Effects content as well. And remember, always be creating.